These waves are crazy. Apparently it's high tide in the ocean right now. And these 3 kids, 1, 2, and 3, have been in this wave pool for about 3 hours. And I can't get them out. You gotta use your arms. Poor Susu is no match against these giant waves. Children, it's time to go. You can't attack the camera lady. Don't be fresh. Susu, is this your favorite thing ever? I don't think I've seen her do anything she could do for 3 hours except the wave pool. Quit attacking me, shark. I said, quit attacking me, shark.